Sir, the next practice question related to constructors, observe that. Public class person contain string name int age is equal to 25. Okay, name and age both are instance variables, right? Now, public person string name, this is the constructor which can take name as the argument. It is calling this, sir. This means no argument constructor we are calling, and then set name of name. Can you please set the name to this person by set method like. Sir, public person string name int age. String name int age, person of name. I'm calling, so of course person means I'm calling constructor by passing the name, something like. Now set the age like this, right? Sir, observe, this is the line 2 and this is the line 1 like. Sir, setter and getter methods goes here. Means, so assume setter and getter methods are properly defined. Sir, public string show method, okay, return name and age, that's all. Sir, only can you please return name and age. If any person trying to print person object, now it is the responsible to print name and age, that's all. Public static void main, person P1 is equal to new person of Durga, person P2 is equal to new person of Ravi 50, and P1 dot show, P2 dot show. Can you please print P1 dot show and P2 dot show? P1 dot show return some string, P2 dot show return some string. Can you please print that string? That's all, sir. This is my code. So what is the result? What is the result, sir? Sir, Durga 25, Ravi 50. Next, compilation fails at line 1, compilation fails at line 2, compilation fails at both line 1 and line 2. Okay, like. So, what may be the answer? At line 1, do you have any mistake? At line 2, sir, is there any mistake is there? We have to identify. Yes, observe. So, how many constructors are there in the person class? Please confirm. 2 constructors are there. Sir, this is the first constructor, second constructor. First constructor taking 1 argument, second constructor taking 2 arguments. No argument constructor not there. Okay. So now you are calling this of no argument. You are calling no argument constructor which is not there. That's why immediately at line 1 compile time error because no matched constructor. Okay, well. Next, is there any problem at line 2? Okay, here you are calling person of name like this. So I'm calling the constructor by passing name as the argument. Sir, you can't call constructor by name. If you want to call constructor of the same class, you require to use this of name but not the person of name. So here also compile time error is there. You can't call like this. If you are calling by name, it will become a method, but constructor call. If you want to call the same class constructor, this you have to use. If you want to call parent class constructor, super we have to use. But here by name directly you are calling, it is invalid. There is no such type of method like maybe compile time error you are going to get. So here the problem at line 1 and the problem at line 2. So compilation fails at line 1 and line 2 is the correct answer, sir. Let me have a look once. Sir, observe carefully. I want to execute this code. Here this is the public class person. 2 instance variables are there. First constructor, next and after that second constructor. Next setter and getter methods goes here something like sir, public string show return name. So assume setter and getter methods properly defined. If any compile time error you are getting related to setter and getter, ignore that, no problem at all. But now let me execute Java C. Okay, person dot Java like this, right? Sir, observe multiple compile time errors we are getting. Of course, setter and getter methods I didn't define, that's why maybe. So observe very carefully. Sir, at which lines? Sir, observe this. Here compile time error. No suitable constructor found. Are you getting? Because no argument constructor is not there. That's why this is the compile time error we are getting, sir. Set a name. I didn't define set name. Assume that it is properly defined. Ignore that. Next, third one, person of name. Are you getting right? Cannot find the symbol. Method person. Okay, method person. This is the at line 2 comparative method we are getting. Next, set age. Assume that set age properly defined. Ignore that comparative method. So the comparative error at line 1 and the comparative error at line 2 is there, sir. So clear for all of you, right? Maybe a chance to ask these type of questions also in the exam. You should be in the position to answer. Any doubt?